10 minutes morning boost for beginners. Take a deep inhale, exhale, and bring the hands in front of your heart. Follow the rhythm of your breath and take a moment here just to connect with yourself. Releasing the tensions and listening to your body. When you're ready, release the hands and come up into Tadasana. Roll the shoulders back, extend the arms down, keep the feet together and the legs straight. Lift the arms in front of you, parallel to each other, and rotate the upper arms out and the shoulders out. Keep that rotation as you lift the arms up towards the sky. So your thumbs will be turning backwards, your little fingers will be turning forwards. Open the arms out to the sides. Keep the shoulders down and extend fully the arms to the sides. And then slowly bring the arms down as if you want to reach the mat with the fingers. Lift the arms up again. Keep the rotation of the upper arms and use the arms to extend the spine, to further extend the body. Open the arms to the side. Keep the center of the chest up and the shoulders down. And release the arms down by your side. Now we reverse the movement. Turn the thumbs outwards, the palms of the hands outwards. Turn the shoulders outwards and lift the arms at the height of the shoulders. Keep the shoulders releasing down as you lift the arms all the way up into Urdhva Hastasana. And then join the palms of the hands in front of the chest. And release the hands down. Tadasana. Again, rotate the arms out, lift the arms up, and lift it so high that maybe you can join the hands above your head without bending the elbows. Keep the center of the chest lifting, and then release the hands in front of your chest in Namaskar. Bend the knees and jump the feet apart. Keep the feet parallel to the edges of your mat. Drop the hands down and lift the arms up in Urdhva Hastasana. Press the feet down, lengthen the spine, lift the chest and open the arms to the side. Keeping that, turn the feet to your right to prepare for Trikonasana. Extend the torso to the right and lower the right hand down, left hand to the waist. From here, rotate the pelvis and torso to the sky, stretch the left arm to the right, rotate the thumb and shoulder back and lift the arm up to the sky. Rotate the right leg backwards while rotating the pelvis and the torso towards the sky. Stretch the arms and keep the shoulders away from the ears. Inhale to come up and turn the feet forwards. Drop the hands down, lift the arms up, extend the spine. Keep the center of the chest lifting and open the arms to the side at the height of the shoulders. Turn the feet to the left. Inhale, and as you exhale, extend to the left and lower your hand down. Open the torso up towards the sky. Roll the shoulder back and extend the arm towards the sky. Keep extending those arms away from each other, the space of the chest open and the shoulders away from the ears. Come up. Turn the feet forwards and jump the feet together. Take a deep inhale and exhale slowly. Now bring the hands in front of the chest one more time and jump the feet out in Utthita Padasana. This time turn your feet in Paschima Baddhanguliyasana and then lower the arms down, lift the arms up in Urdhva Hastasana. Keep the center of the chest lifting and as you exhale, bend the right leg to a 90-degree angle. Without dropping the chest, open the arms to the side. Keep the knee turning back, the tailbone lengthening down, the center of the chest lifting and open the arms to the side. Inhale to come up and turn the feet to the left. Once you're there, release the arms down. Lift the arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale. Keep the center of the chest lifting and bend the left leg to a 90-degree angle. Lower the pelvis down, but not the chest. And then open the arms to the height of the shoulders. Ground the back heel on the floor And while turning the left knee backwards, keep the right thigh pressing backwards as well. Relax the face, relax the jaw. Inhale to come up. Turn the feet forwards and jump the feet together into Tadasana. Again, take a deep inhale and a slow exhale. Come to the end of your mat and kneel down in Vajrasana. Heels together, knees together. Sit on your heels and go for Virabhadrasana. Cross the fingers in front of you, turn the palms forwards and lift the arms up. Keep the tailbone releasing down, the pelvis releasing down, the arms lengthening up, lifting the spine up, lifting the chest up. Release the shoulders, release the jaw while keeping the arms fully stretched. Release the arms down, take a little rest with the hands on your thighs. Change the cross of the fingers and do it again. Turn the palms forwards, stretch the arms and lift them up. Relax the thighs down, release the tensions of the legs down, and use the arms to lift the spine, to lift the abdominal area, to lengthen the lower back. And then release the arms down. This time, let's go for Paschima Baddhanguliyasana. Cross the fingers behind your back, roll the shoulders back and extend the arms down away from the shoulders. Keeping the pelvis sitting on your heels and the shoulders away from the ears, start moving the hands away from you. Lift the center of the chest more and more. Open the clavicle bones while releasing the shoulders away from the ears. Release the hands, change the cross of the hands and do again. Extend the arms down first and then start moving them away from you. Open the sides of the chest. Open the armpits. Lengthen the neck away from the shoulders. And relax the throat. Release the hands and let's go for downward dog. Move your hands forwards on the mat, tuck the toes under, and from the stretch of the arms, from pressing the hands on the floor, stretch the pelvis far up and back, away from the hands. Once you've done that, stretch the legs fully. Take deep inhales and exhales while trying to keep the weight back on your heels. Lower the knees to the mat with the big toes together and the knees slightly apart, and extend the spine forwards into Adho Mukha Virasana. Take this posture to really relax the legs, the hips, the pelvis, the belly, and the mind. And when you're ready, come up and let's lie on the back for Savasana. Lay your spine down. Adjust the shoulders underneath you. Extend the two arms. Extend the two legs away from you. And then release the feet and the thighs outwards. Release the thumbs outwards. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, release the whole of your body to the mat. Let go of all the muscular actions. Release the back. Release the shoulders. And the weight of your head to the mat. And just contemplate your breath for a moment. When you feel ready to come out of your Savasana, start moving your hands and your feet slowly. Then bend your legs. Take the time to turn to the side and use your hands on the mat to come up. Sit in a comfortable position, then join the hands in front of your chest, and with your next exhale, bow your head down towards the space of your heart. Namaste. Thank you so very much for being with me today. Hope you enjoy this quick 10-minute morning boost and that you feel refreshed to start your day. And if you enjoy this video, please press like and of course subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. It means a lot to me. Thank you.